Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you tired of spaghetti and meatballs or want to cut carb calories? You can use meatballs and a few simple ingredients to make this Southern Italian soup. For 2 servings, you'll need about 3 ounces of small meatballs or 2 to 4 large meatballs. You can use them whole or quartered. About 2 ounces of small dried pasta or 4 ounces of fresh pasta. You can use a wide variety of pasta to make variations of this recipe. For the broth, use low-sodium chicken, beef, or vegetable broth or stock. About 4 cups for dried pasta and 3 cups for fresh pasta. Instead of canned or prepared broth, you can use chicken, beef, or vegetable base. Add about 1 teaspoon per cup of water or to taste. When using base, substitute water for the broth or stock. About 4 cups for dried pasta and 3 cups for fresh pasta. Optional ingredients include diced carrots or celery, lemon juice, rosemary, thyme, and parsley. This version has thin pasta, carrots, and chicken. This one has orzo, carrots, chicken, and herbs. In a 2-quart or larger pan, add the meatballs, broth, or water. Cover the pan and bring the liquid to a boil on medium-high heat. If using base, you can add it to the water before it reaches the boiling point. Stir until dissolved and bring to a boil. Add pasta and cook per manufacturer's instructions. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook pasta until al dente or to desired texture. 1 serving, about 9 ounces, has about 210 calories. The amount of sodium will vary with the brand of broth, pasta, and meatballs. Dried pasta, like macaroni, has 0 milligrams of sodium, whereas the tortellini I used for this video has 350 milligrams of sodium. This recipe also has about 23 grams of carbohydrates and 14 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!